Newburgh resident and business owner Chris Catania arrived at St. Luke's Cornwall Hospital's emergency room suffering from a heart attack.
And that's when I said, I need to talk to the boys and I need to talk to Eileen. And Margaret just said, that's not going to happen now. We need to do this now. So it was a tough moment.
Due to the advancements at the Center for Cardiac Care, Chris was able to receive the necessary treatment that saved his life.
Before we opened this laboratory, we had to send all of our patients out for anything invasive. So if they needed any kind of a procedure, a cath, an intervention, certainly, any form of revascularization or any kind of higher level care, they needed to leave this hospital and leave the community. And for many people here, that's a real inconvenience. It's a real, for older patients, it's difficult. For patients that live in and around the Newburgh area, it's almost impractical.
On Valentine's Day 2005, St. Luke's Cornwall Hospital opened its first cardiac catheterization suite to anticipate and respond to the lifelong cardiac needs of the residents of the Mid-Hudson Valley. Since then, the Center for Cardiac Care has touched the lives and hearts of nearly 5,000 members of the community.
I'm working with a phenomenal group of physicians. They're probably the most expert physicians I've ever had to work with, and I'm very lucky for that. It was very easy to bring this program up.
Cardiologists at the Center for Cardiac Care are able to diagnose blockages in arteries surrounding the heart and, if need be, perform life-saving interventional procedures that can preserve the functioning of the body's most precious organ. Through a collaborative effort with emergency room physicians, the Center for Cardiac Care is opening blockages at an average rate of 20 minutes less than the national target of 90 minutes.
In interventional cardiology, the time is muscle. Meaning that the earlier you do intervention, meaning opening the blocked artery, saving the more muscle of the heart. And now, since we're doing that, patients' outcomes are better, and we're providing the best service care, state-of-the-art care, and patients are very happy.
Residents can rest assured that life-saving cardiac care is available close to home when precious minutes matter most. More importantly, patients receive treatment from a compassionate and skilled team of caregivers who live and raise their families in this community.
It's a wonderful thing to be able to impact the lives of people that, not only matter to us as patients, but also matter to us as people because they're our neighbors.
In the case of Chris Catania, the cardiologists at the Center for Cardiac Care reacted so quickly that he experienced no damage to an otherwise healthy heart. Chris was able to return to his life and his family with a renewed outlook.
I never thought that this could happen to me. And thank God that the life-threatening event was handled the way it was by St. Luke's Cornwall Hospital, because I wouldn't be here today.
Learn more about the Center for Cardiac Care at stlukescornwallhospital.org or find us on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube.